We made a microscope that can do whole brain imaging. And then we gave away the instructions for how to make it for free. Why? Many barriers exist for sharing science. Scientific research often requires money, space, labor, time, and resources. This makes every discovery very hard-won. Sharing your science could mean giving up an advantage, such as the patent on a new drug. In academia and nonprofits, a lack of resources or even the system itself can make sharing science difficult. But things are changing. Thanks to global collaborations and new technologies like the internet and cloud computing, a movement is breaking down these barriers. And that movement is called open science. You, yes you, can explore our open science resources, and many of them require only a web browser. Defining open science is kind of a lot like trying to define what makes a sandwich a sandwich. There's differing opinions and fierce debate, but generally, most people agree that open science is about making data and resources more accessible to everyone. Here at the Allen Institute, open science is at the core of all we do. We help scientists make discoveries faster by building and sharing high-quality resources like datasets, software, lab protocols, cell lines, and even DIY instructions for how to make some of our microscopes. But these resources aren't just for scientists. They are for everyone. And we're not alone. Scientific organizations like NASA, the National Institutes of Health, the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative, and AdGene are pushing the boundaries and showing that open science can benefit everyone, both scientists and the public alike. Open science means science for all.